In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google account on your computer in just 5 minutes. Setting up a Google account is simple and straightforward, and it unlocks access to a whole host of useful services from Gmail to Google Drive and beyond. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google sign-in page. This is your starting point. You'll see a prompt asking you to sign in, but since we're here to create a new account, look for the Create Account link. Click on it and a few options will appear, allowing you to choose the type of account you want to set up. Select whether this account will be for your personal use, for your child, or for work or business purposes. Choosing the right category ensures the account is set up with the appropriate tools and settings tailored to your needs. Now let's provide some basic information. Enter your first and last name in the fields provided. Once you've done that, hit the next button to continue. The next step requires you to set your birth date and gender. This information is necessary to help Google deliver services that are age appropriate and to comply with legal policies. With that done, you'll move on by clicking Next. Now it's time to choose a username. This will be your email address, so think carefully. It needs to be unique, so if your first choice isn't available, try variations until you find one that's not taken. Once you're happy with your choice, head once more to that trusty Next button. The following screen prompts you to create a strong password. Make sure it's something memorable yet secure. Using a combination of letters, numbers and symbols is a great strategy. Enter the password twice to confirm there's no typo, then click Next. Next up, you'll need to verify your email address. You might receive a verification code in the inbox of an existing email address you own, so be sure to check it promptly and complete this verification step. After verification, Google may prompt you to provide optional recovery information. Filling this out can be extremely helpful later, as it allows you to regain access to your account if you ever forget your password. Finally, you'll see Google's terms and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through, and when you're ready, hit I agree to accept the terms. The journey isn't quite over yet. Be sure to follow any remaining on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. With all those steps completed, congratulations are in order. You've just created a Google account. You can now explore everything Google offers. Thanks for hanging out today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.